Fun and Cute Kawaii Finds, Episode 1. Hi, my name is Awen, and this is my BagLove story. In today's episode, I would like to share with you Sanrio Kuromi Haul. This is just a mini haul, and if you remember, I told you before that I would like to collect these two cute kawaii bunnies from Sanrio, namely My Melody and Kuromi. But this time we'll focus first on Kuromi. And to start off, show you first, this is the first that I found from Shopee. This is a bracelet with Kuromi keychain. This is just a rubber bracelet. The charms looks really nice and the artwork looks like it is an authentic piece. It doesn't have any logos at the back, but still the artwork looks very nice. Next, I found this one. This is an acrylic keychain, Kuromi acrylic keychain that can be placed probably on my keys or my DIY bag that I made, the Kuromi one. In case you haven't seen it yet, I will link it up here. I did a DIY on how I created my own bag. This very cute keychain will really look nice when I put on that bag. Next, I found this one. The design, very nice, very cute. This is a comb, a very cute comb. And this kind of comb, what I have when I was in my elementary days, I have a comb that works and looks like this. And this Kuromi mini comb, foldable comb, really reminds me of that first comb that I have. Very cute. The next one that I got was this one. If you look closely, you can see some glitters on this plastic side. You can see. Looks very nice and very pretty and girly and dainty, and the design looks very pretty as well. It looks like the Kuromi character. A very pretty piece. This is a pocket mirror. So when you slide it like so, that is the mirror part. So nice. I'll also link it below. And the last piece that I found from Shopee is this one. This is so cute, so pretty. When I saw this, I immediately wanted to have it. But I didn't know that this one is an authentic piece until I researched it. I googled it. You can see it has a logo at the back, Kuromi, with their logo right there. Copyright 2022 Sanrio Company Ltd. With another logo, which is Q Uncle. This Q Uncle, when I googled it, they are authorized sellers, distributors of this Sanrio. They're authorized brand to sell these kinds of items from Sanrio. So they are authentic. I found this from Shopee and I'm so glad that it is an authentic piece. If you look closely, details are really nice, really cute. Really looks like Kuromi character. You can see Kuromi right here. It really looks like Kuromi because the artwork really came from the authentic Sanrio brand. This is a silicone bag pouch. You can remove the handle. I think I would not. It really looks pretty and cute and kawaii. It comes with a very nice handle. Very cute handle. You can see purple. The inside is just a plain black. This is their tag. You can see Kuromi, and that is the authenticity tag. They have this. So I'm glad I have my very first authentic one, Kuromi piece. I really love that I was able to find this. I'll measure this for you. So it measures 12 cm by 9 cm by 4.5 cm. This is just a small piece. It can be used as a wallet, but it can also be used as a mini catch-all like the mini pochette. But now I have Kuromi mini pochette. That's very, very cute and very, very fun. Really, really love that I found this piece. Cute items, kawaii items from Shopee. I will link them all below for you. So here are the things that I've bought from Shopee. Different stores. So I'll link all of them because I got them from different stores, and I would love to have more very fun, cute, kawaii finds from Sanrio Kuromi on the next couple of episodes. If you also love Sanrio Kuromi like me, if you enjoy watching fun, kawaii, cute finds, pink and girly items as well, I'll be happy to share more of them with you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell. Your comments are very, very welcome, so please do put your comments on the comment section below and I'll be happy to chat with you. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time!